front of me is NUBIA Air, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Start by opening settings and scrolling to hit security and privacy. Then scroll again to tap on device unlock and click on screen lock. Now tap on one of those login methods to set up a perfect one for you. Swipe, pattern, PIN or complex password. If I can, I would recommend for you to never use swipe. That's because when you click on it, it doesn't give you any security whatsoever, just this animation. So click on pattern, PIN or complex password to be safe. And when you're ready, create it. If you made a mistake, don't worry, hit clear at the bottom left corner and redo it. Then tap on next at the bottom right one and repeat it to confirm it. When you're ready, hit confirm. So when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!